Now for our feature story of the day. According to Fundstrat's Tom Lee, Bitcoin base case for this cycle is $150,000. So let's break this baby down. Headline reads, Fundstrat's Tom Lee doubles down on a big Bitcoin prediction, says the risk reward for the stock market still pretty good. That's right. The chief executive of the market insights platform, Fundstrat, is reiterating that Bitcoin will post massive gains this year, despite its choppy price action for the past 6 weeks. In the new interview on CNBC, Tom Lee says Bitcoin's bull cycle is far from over. Amen to that. According to Lee, Bitcoin and other asset classes have not yet agreed that the Fed is shifting to a looser monetary policy. Quoting him here, Bitcoin is still very early in the let me reiterate. Bitcoin is still early in an upcycle. So the idea that it can get to 150,000 this year is still within our base case. Even better, he's calling for 150,000 this year as a base case. Now, I think it does help that the Fed is reiterating that its view on inflation and being relatively dovish is more dovish than where the market is. So I think that's the process of why the markets are recovering. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the analysts. And looking at the stock market, Lee. Now, anytime I see the word Lee, for some reason, I'm like, in my mind, I go back to like Rush Hour throwbacks. I think that was Jackie Chan's name. Chris Tucker referred to him as. Correct me if I'm wrong. Lee. But anyways, sees more publicly listed companies printing solid earnings growth this quarter. Also highlights that the market conditions look bullish with trillions of dollars still waiting on the sidelines. Now, quoting him here from the interview, to us, earnings growth is accelerating. Quarter one earnings are up 7%, but three groups are down 20%. Energy, healthcare, and materials. Energy and healthcare flip to positive next quarter, so the earnings growth hits 11%. We know there is a lot of pent-up demand, capital spending is picking up, and the ISMs are turning up, and there's $6 trillion in cash on the sidelines, and people have been cautious for more than 2 years now. I think the risk reward is still pretty good. And to watch the interview he gave on Squawk Box or CNBC here, check the show notes below the video in the description. And let me know if you agree. Do you think with Bitcoin, the risk reward right now of where we're at in the market, considering we just had a halving of 2024 2 weeks ago, roughly on 420, happy 420, do you think the risk reward is still pretty good? And I'll chime in there. I think it's fantastic because the risk, what's the risk right now? How low can Bitcoin potentially go from here? Nobody knows, but according to history, this is the most bullish time of the 4-year cyclical cycle. So we're more likely to pump than we are to dump if we can visualize moving into the future. You know what I mean? Which is the only direction time takes us. So thinking about that, I think it's a definite no-brainer risk-reward ratio. I think the risk at this point, I don't even see Bitcoin ever going back down under 50,000. Right now we're at 61,000. That's the risk, right? In my humble opinion, not investment advice. But on the flip side of that coin, pun intended, the reward, we can go up 300% as predicted earlier on in the show. We can go up multiple hundreds of percent as Tom Lee is predicting in his base case for this year in 2024. So if your risk is what, 20, 30% or less of a correction and your reward is multiple 100%, no brainer. Where else are you going to park your capital? You know what I mean? HODL, be thy name. And at the end of the day,
they not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Precisely. They're not like us. So you already know, bullish time of the season. Very, very interesting times amongst us. We're on the cusp of a revolution, which has been happening, but it's accelerating, right? Faster than ever as fiat currency continues to be devalued. Right? And that's why you see these crazy Bitcoin prices. And Bitcoin will continue to increase in purchasing power. There's the scarcity of the halving. There's the scarcity just built into the protocol, being there's a finite limited supply. And now we have the game theory from the major asset managers via the ETFs, the nation states, the empires, the sovereign wealth funds. And they say there's 2,500 billionaires on the planet. Well, that's not really a lot of Bitcoin to go around for those billionaires, is there? Right? How many companies are on the planet? I'm going to assume millions. How many companies can pull a Mike Saylor? Not many. Mike Saylor has 1% of the Bitcoin circulating supply. Hypothetically means only 100 companies max if nobody else owned any Bitcoin on the planet, including retail, wanted to get a position like they have. How many other companies or asset managers are going to be able to stack 300,000 Bitcoin like BlackRock just did in the past 4 months? Not many. There's only a handful because we're going to run out of the biddies. There's going to be a supply shock. Price goes up. You know what I mean? That's just the nature of the beast. The Bitcoin beast, if you know what I mean. Meanwhile,
they not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
So what do we do to the haters and everyone saying Bitcoin is a Ponzi and it's going to zero? This is what we do.
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
Peter Schiff.
Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Warren Buffett.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Bill Gates.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Facts. These wealthy entities out there making Saylor look like a shrimp. One of these. Precisely. Like, for real, though. There's so much wealth on the planet. Gensler were just talking about they have, jurisdiction over, what do you say, $100+ trillion of the market, ignoring all the crypto questions. Ask me about these other markets. Collectively, there's probably over 900 trillion worth of wealth on the planet, maybe even more. And considering crypto collectively is less than a 3 trillion market cap, Bitcoin's like a 1.2 trillion market cap. It just shows so much room for growth and how early we truly are. And quoting Mike Saylor from yesterday's episode, he said, the reason most people don't get Bitcoin yet is the reason it's going to 100x. If we go to 100x, we're talking 6 million plus per biddy. Per biddy. Let that sink in, yo. Laugh at them, but leave them a big tip. Are we sure they not like us? No, I'm facts. They not like us. Haters are completely irrelevant to us. Exactly. Because when it comes to haters,
they not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Ish coiners.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
No coiners.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Fiat lovers.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Facts. With my rattling feathers, we rattle together. The battle's forever. Would you like fries with that? Precisely. The haters are completely irrelevant to us. Tell them Expose Sean. Cheers to that. F the haters. We replace the haters with regulators. Mona. I got to sample that one next. That was one of my favorite tracks as a kid. Regulators. Agree, JV. Be feeling it. Thank you, Kevin. Money has always been about the question, who works for whom? And with Bitcoin, the game will be reset on the global. The global reset is amongst us. In the eyes of the government, the global reset is the CBDCs in a cashless society. Now, the global reset to the Bitcoiners is Bitcoin becoming a world reserve currency and hyper Bitcoinization. Want to know why?
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Politicians.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
Suits such as Jim Cramer.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
These other podcast
They not
hosts.
like us. They not like us. They not like us.
These other crypto shows.
That fuck 'em up. I'ma do my stuff.
Never gets old.